Hello, I am Tina Brigitini, and I want to welcome you to the Master Intuitive channel. And with many practices available today, meditation, sound, intuitive work, breath awareness, it can be so hard to actually know what's right for you. So, in this video, I want to talk about how to discern whether a practice supports you and how to make choices that respect your body, your nervous system, and your current season of life. There's no single practice that works for everyone, and learning how to listen to yourself is one of the most important skills that you can develop. It's common to assume that if something helps a lot of people, then it should help you too. But our systems are different, our experiences are different, and our capacities change over time. So, a practice that feels grounding one month may feel overstimulating another month. And that doesn't mean that anything has gone wrong. What discernment means is noticing what's true for you rather than forcing yourself into an experience because you think you should. So it's important to notice some gentle signs that a practice is supportive and can include feeling calmer afterward, more present, more connected to yourself. So you might notice a sense of clarity, ease, or simply a reduction in mental noise. These responses don't have to be dramatic. It's the subtle shifts that are often the most meaningful. Now, on the other hand, if a practice consistently leaves you feeling agitated, disconnected, overwhelmed, or pressured to push through discomfort, that's information worth listening to. It doesn't mean that the practice is bad. It may just not be appropriate for you at this time. So, pausing, modifying, or choosing something gentler is not a failure, it's discernment. Now, approaching any practice responsibly means staying curious rather than attached to the outcomes. It means allowing yourself to adjust the length, the intensity, or the frequency of a practice. And it means recognizing when additional support from a qualified professional may be helpful alongside the self guided tools. Self awareness, self respect, that's the foundation of any meaningful inner work. See, ultimately, you are the expert on your own experience. There is no teacher, guide, or practice that should override your internal signals. And my intention with Master Intuitive is to offer education and support, not answers that you're meant to follow blindly. So, trusting yourself, moving at your own pace, and choosing what truly supports you is an act of clarity and self care. I'm grateful for you and being on this channel. Many blessings to you, Tina Brigitini.